Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the video. It is your boy Kabir and you're watching Stories of C. Today, I'm going to be explaining about external validity. And if you guys are from the social psychology class, I'm going to give you guys a big shout out. Thank you for watching this video and you guys inspired me to do this. So without further ado, let's get into it. Anyways, so external validity is the textbook definition. It's basically, I think what the textbook says is that it has something to do with real life settings, the generalization of it in real life settings. What I like to think of it is external validity is the generalization. It's how your results can be applied to real life context, real life settings. For example, it can do the people, the settings, and it can also do with the timing as well. So for example, if you're conducting a study, you want to really make sure that you have multiple studies that investigate a single phenomenon with different participants and all that, different variables, and that will give you high external validity, which is really good for your research. Now, I'm going to explain to you about a high external validity study versus a low external validity study. Let's get into it. Now, we're going to be explaining about high external validity. Now, high external validity refers to if a study has participants from varying socioeconomic statuses, from cleaners to lawyers. It also has to do with age ranges. So, for example, you could have people who are 18 years old and people who are, 50, 60 years old. And also if your study, the one that you're doing on your experiment, if your experiment has situations or experiments that are in methods, basically, if they're in a more real life setting, it will increase the external validity, which is really good for the study. So something like cafes or using a laptop, that is a lot better. Now we're going to be talking about low external validity. So low external validity is when people are from the same socioeconomic status are in the study, and there's an ungeneralizable population. For example, if they're just college students or people from a specific country, that's low external validity. And if it's just in the same settings and a laboratory setting, then that's low external validity as well. To better suit my message, I'm going to be explaining a study that supports that has high external validity. For example, there's a study of does exercising indoors influence the mood, whereas you exercising outdoors. What they basically did was they had a diverse set of sample, and what they did was they had a couple of people who were randomly assigned into different groups, and they also used pre and post surveys, and the people that were assigned to groups had varying fitness levels and were of different ages. So that's a factor of high generalizability, high external validity, as well as they use pre and post surveys, as well as a tracker to test blood rate. And this is generalizable because you get to understand about people's fitness levels and to understand the construct of the phenomena of how mood influences whether indoor or outdoor. Yeah. Thanks so much guys for watching the video. If you guys like the video, do hit that subscribe button, do hit that thumbs up, and I made this video specifically for you guys, the sociology class. So if I did a good job, let me know. But yeah, see you guys. Bye.